Lights, camera, action.
I have been teaching the course Mathematical Economics for the last 8 years, and I had a special interest in this particular subject since I was studying in the university. And when I got an opportunity to prepare a MOOC on mathematical economics, so I thought, why not? So after I got the opportunity from UGC for preparing this particular course, the first thing I had to do was form a team because it could not be done alone. There were video lectures and I had to prepare in such a manner so that it can be made attractive to the audience. Different slides had to be prepared with animations, and it's not just like I teach in the class, but it had to be something different. So a team was formed that included a creative director of the team, along with the camera person, the editor, and the reviewers were there who reviewed the whole course. Professor Srinath Borua from Guwahati University and Professor P.K. Chaube from IIPA Delhi. Also, there was a technical reviewer, Dr. Rajesh Kumar from Doon University. So this MOOC course had 3 phases. First was the design phase, how to go about preparing the materials and the animations and different slides, and so this was under the design phase. Then the second phase was the development of MOOCs. So that was a very difficult phase, in fact, because it is very difficult for a teacher who generally teaches in the classroom to come at once in front of the camera. So that took some time, but gradually everything was adjusted. And then finally the delivery process, which was on the SWAM platform.
You won't believe, but it took almost a month to finalize the introductory video because we had to be clear with the background score, the lighting, the locations which we will be using. Once it was done, it set the tone for the complete course.
Generally, when we give lecture in the classroom, we interact with the students. So while we are interacting, we sometimes ask questions and we get answers from them. But in online course, this particular thing is missing. So in order to fill that gap, during the video, we included what is called a reflection point. That is, a question could be asked and then the learner could reflect for a few seconds and try to recall back, so in order to test themselves. And the second most important point for learner interaction along with the mentor was that there was a discussion forum where questions could be asked regarding the video or the e-text, whatever was provided to them. This was very important to keep an active learning process.
During the course, we realized that it would be better if we have a WhatsApp group for the learners as well. So we formed groups. In fact, this was suggested by learners only.
Working with the MOOC production team and the whole project members of the course Mathematical Economics has been a wonderful and interesting experience for me. The whole production team and the project team has been very cooperative, very creative, and they provided real interesting input for the prospects. Looking after the production aspect of the MOOC course, I am highly satisfied that each aspect of production has been taken care of and a real feel of classroom situation has been created. Interesting animation and presentation has been brought in the whole course production. I am very happy, very satisfied and very excited as well to see the whole effort and the whole output of the production team.
And after this lot of hard work and effort put forward by the whole team, it is really good to know that this MOOC has been rated as one among the best online courses of 2019. And on behalf of the team, I'm really very grateful and thankful to all the learners who participated actively and learned this course, and congratulations to all those who also had the certificate in their hands.
It's a matter of great satisfaction that this course has received huge appreciation around the world, and it has been well received by the academia in general.
If there are a large number of choice variables.
We are learning about programming language in a course on computational economics.
So hello everyone. इसको काट दीजिएगा.
That had to be kept in mind. काट देना.
Working with the MOOC project team, audio देख लीजिए.
And which was very well appreciated by everybody who saw the video. Enjoy life and keep learning.